Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by vacuuming with a soft brush attachment to lift surface grit. This prevents abrasion. Once done, test a mild cleaner on a hidden seam. Wait 10 minutes to confirm no dye transfer. Next, treat fresh stains immediately. Blot with a white cloth to absorb liquids. Avoid rubbing because that crushes the pile and spreads the stain. Use short, deliberate pats and rotate the cloth so you always blot with a clean section. Now you perform a controlled deep clean. Mix 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon gentle dish soap, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar to break oils without harming fibers. Dampen a soft sponge and apply the solution in the direction of the velvet nap using light pressure. This preserves texture. Once the area is clean, rinse by dabbing with a nearly dry sponge to lift residue and avoid overwetting. Make sure to squeeze out excess moisture. Finish by blotting any remaining dampness with a microfiber towel and allow the velvet to air dry away from direct heat, which can shrink backing. Once mostly dry, use a hairdryer on low heat held 6 to 8 inches away while gently brushing the nap with your hand to restore pile. Move in the fabric's direction. If fibers remain crushed or show watermarking, steam lightly from a distance or use a soft bristle brush to lift the pile. Test first on a hidden area.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.